Happy Wednesday. I am so glad you decided to join me this afternoon. I am launching my 3-day free online travel business workshop. If you would like to learn the secrets to travel, how to save, earn, travel, and experience more, position yourself to be an expert, learn how to dominate the business, get the tools to learn how to build you a vacation business from scratch. I got it for you. I am launching my 3-day online travel business workshop. Only thing you need to do is text access, ACCESS, to 571-336-2043. Again, the number and the code is tax access, ACCESS, to 571-336-2043. Now, don't worry about forgetting that code. I'm going to drop a flyer below where you can get the code and the access. Get the code and the access code, and my number in order to get access to the workshop. See you at the workshop. See you on the inside, and have a happy Wednesday.